The Icon A5 is not your typical airplane. It's a sleek, amphibious light sport aircraft that's transforming how people think about flying small planes. With the ability to take off and land both on traditional runways and water, the A5 opens up a world of adventure and freedom that's especially appealing to recreational pilots. It's like having a convertible sports car that also doubles as a boat, and it's designed to make flying accessible, safe, and thrilling for everyone. Introduced in 2014 by Icon Aircraft, the A5 was created with a clear mission: to break down barriers in aviation by designing a plane that's easy to fly, fun, and versatile. Unlike traditional small aircraft that often intimidate beginners with complexity, the A5 emphasizes simplicity, safety, and a modern design aesthetic. This aircraft appeals to a growing community of pilots who want more than just transportation. They want an experience. Visually, the Icon A5 is striking. Its smooth aerodynamic shape with a high wing and folding wingtips is both functional and stylish. The folding wings aren't just for show, they make storing the plane easier and allow it to fit into tighter hangars or trailers for transport. The compact bubble canopy offers a panoramic view that enhances the sensation of flight, allowing pilots and passengers to soak in the scenery, whether flying over lakes, mountains, or coastlines. Under the hood, the A5 is powered by a Rotax 912 IS engine, a reliable, fuel-efficient 4-cylinder power plant producing about 100 horsepower. This engine enables a comfortable cruise speed of approximately 95 knots, with a max speed just over 110 knots. While it's not a speed demon, the A5's focus is on smooth, controlled flying that lets pilots savor every moment in the air. Fuel consumption is about 4.5 gallons per hour, which is quite economical and adds to the plane's appeal as a cost-conscious choice for recreational flyers. What truly sets the A5 apart is its amphibious capability. Equipped with retractable landing gear, the plane can easily switch between land and water operations. This means you can taxi onto a calm lake, park your plane by the shore, enjoy some time on the water, and then take off again, all without ever leaving the water. This versatility opens up flying destinations that other planes simply can't reach, allowing pilots to explore remote or hard-to-access places. Safety has been a core focus in the A5's design. It is the first light sport aircraft to feature a whole aircraft ballistic parachute system. In an emergency, this system can be deployed to bring the entire plane safely down, whether on land or water, a feature that's rare even in much larger aircraft. The plane's stall-resistant design and an angle of attack (AOA) indicator provide extra layers of safety, giving pilots real-time feedback to avoid stalls and maintain control, especially reassuring for newer flyers. Inside, the cockpit is thoughtfully laid out to be intuitive. The Garmin Era 660 portable GPS provides navigation, weather, and traffic data. The control layout is minimalistic but effective, reducing pilot workload so you can focus on flying and enjoying the ride. Seating is side by side with enough room to comfortably share the experience with the passenger, whether a friend, family member, or instructor. Weight-wise, the A5 is impressively light, with an empty weight around 1,430 pounds and a max takeoff weight of approximately 1,510 pounds. This contributes to its agility and fuel efficiency. The plane's range of about 360 nautical miles is well suited for day trips or weekend adventures, making it a perfect choice for those who want to explore without the need for long-range endurance. One of the biggest advantages of the Icon A5 is its classification as a light sport aircraft, LSA. This means pilots can fly it with a sport pilot license in the US, which requires fewer training hours and less medical paperwork than a traditional private pilot license. The A5's forgiving handling characteristics and built-in safety features make it a perfect aircraft for pilots new to flying or those returning after a long break. Since its launch, Icon Aircraft has continuously refined the A5. Updates have improved its aerodynamics, avionics, and build quality based on pilot feedback and advances in technology. The company also offers specialized training programs tailored to the A5, which many owners praise for easing their transition into flying this unique plane. Cost-wise, the Icon A5 is positioned in the higher tier of light sport amphibious aircraft. The 2024 price tag sits around $500,000, which includes the plane itself, factory training, and warranty. While this may sound steep, considering the innovative design, safety features, and versatility, many see it as a worthwhile investment in both fun and freedom. Owners should also factor in ongoing costs like maintenance, insurance, storage, and fuel. The A5 has attracted a broad and passionate following, from weekend adventurers looking to escape the grind, to retirees reigniting their love of flying, and to newcomers eager for a fresh way to take to the skies. The Icon A5 has proven to be more than just a plane. It's a lifestyle. Its amphibious ability means pilots can explore hidden lakes, secluded shorelines, and coastal areas inaccessible by road or boat, turning flying into a true adventure sport. Thanks for flying along with me today. If you want to learn more about the coolest personal aircraft, from amphibious planes like the A5 to piston classics and personal jets, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Drop your questions or thoughts about the Icon A5 in the comments below. I love hearing what you think.